How to log into WorldRemit. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can log into your WorldRemit account, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to log into your WorldRemit account, just visit worldremit.com. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. Once you visit worldremit.com, you're gonna land on this page. Now first of all, if you don't have an account, then from the very top right you can click the sign up button here. As you can see, once you click the sign up option, you're going to be taken to this page where you can simply enter the email and password you want to use in this case, and the country that you want to send the money from, and then click on the continue button to do so. Now if you have already created an account, in which case I'm assuming you have to go ahead and click the login button here. Once you click the login option that you can find, make sure to enter the email as well as password. In case you've forgotten your password, you can reset it by simply clicking this button, and all you have to do is click the continue button in order to successfully sign in to your WorldRemit account. So this way you can log into your WorldRemit account. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.